Question 501. How do you ensure high availability and scalability in Azure DevOps? I design redundant and fault-tolerant architectures using Azure services like Azure Load Balancer, Application Gateway, and Virtual Network. I also use auto-scaling features to dynamically adjust resources based on workload demands. Question 502. How do you optimize build and release pipelines in Azure DevOps? I optimize pipelines by parallelizing tasks, caching dependencies, and using agent pools effectively. I also monitor pipeline performance, analyze bottlenecks, and refactor configurations for faster build and deployment times. Question 503. What is Azure Artifacts, and how do you use it in Azure DevOps? Azure Artifacts is a package management service that allows storing and sharing packages, dependencies, and artifacts. I use it to publish and consume packages in build pipelines, ensuring consistency and reliability in software development. Question 504. How do you integrate third-party tools and services with Azure DevOps? I use Azure DevOps service hooks and extensions to integrate third-party tools like Slack, Jira, or SonarQube with Azure DevOps. I configure webhooks, notifications, or custom scripts to automate workflows and enhance collaboration. Question 505. How do you monitor and optimize costs in Azure DevOps? I monitor resource usage, analyze cost reports, and set budget alerts in Azure Cost Management to optimize costs. I also optimize resource configurations, use reserved instances, and leverage Azure DevOps features efficiently to minimize expenses. Question 506. How do you implement blue-green deployments in Azure DevOps? I use Azure Traffic Manager or Azure Application Gateway to implement blue-green deployments in Azure DevOps. I deploy new versions of applications in a separate environment, reroute traffic, and monitor performance before switching to the new version. Question 507. Can you explain the concept of continuous feedback in Azure DevOps? Continuous feedback in Azure DevOps is the practice of gathering feedback from stakeholders, users, and automated tests throughout the development lifecycle. I use features like Azure Test Plans, user voice integration, and telemetry data to collect feedback and improve software quality. Question 508. How do you ensure data protection and privacy in Azure DevOps? I encrypt sensitive data at rest and in transit using Azure Key Vault, Azure Disk Encryption, and SSL/TLS protocols. I also implement data retention policies, access controls, and data anonymization techniques to protect data privacy in Azure DevOps. Question 509. How do you handle cross-platform development in Azure DevOps? I use multi-agent pools, containerization, or virtual machines to support cross-platform development in Azure DevOps. I configure pipelines to build, test, and deploy applications on different platforms like Windows, Linux, or macOS with consistent results. Question 510. How do you manage secrets and credentials in Azure DevOps pipelines? I store secrets and credentials in Azure Key Vault, or Azure Pipelines variable groups to securely manage sensitive information. I use Azure DevOps Service Connections with RBAC permissions to access secrets during pipeline execution without exposing them in code. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.